Timmy. Tippy dippy doop, tippy doop, tippy doo. Hey. Get it, Phoebes. Yay, Phoebe.
My plan was a success, and I was now on my way to see
Timmy.
my girlfriend. I was so excited. I couldn't stop thinking about her.
Phoebe's funny.
Oh
Timmy.
my gosh, we're at Zoe's house now. I'm
Timmy.
so surprised. I
Hey.
have to be super sneaky because if she heard me,
Hey,
surprise
Timmy.
me. After searching around her whole house, I finally saw
That's funny, Phoebe.
She is. Check the pinned comments for part 2.
Go Phoebes. Go Phoebes. It's your birthday. Go Phoebe. Go Phoebe. Go Timmy. Go Timmy.
I bought this ring camera 2
What?
days ago, and another random NPC.
That's a happy chirp.